Like 1 over cos.
Okay, I'll help you. Let's have a look. So you want to draw 1 over cos. Yeah? Okay, so look. Here's cos. Yeah? So this is 1. So 1 over 1 is still 1. Okay? This is 0. 1 over 0 in this picture will go to infinity. This happens at pi over 2. So it means the graph goes up to infinity here. This is even. So this is also even. So we've now done this part. This part is the same as this part, but just upside down. So if we copy this upside down, here and here, we've done these two pieces. This piece is the same as this piece, so it goes back to being like this up here.
It's infinity. Why?
Well, plus or minus infinity.
Okay.
Because of this. Yeah?
So say inward is this one and this one.
You flip it, yeah.
Yeah. Right.
Well, I'm going to try and draw this one. What one was this?
Yeah. I assume.
Yeah. What one was this? What one was this? This was
it's
cosine inverse.
Cosine inverse. Yeah.
Okay, so let's look. Here was cos x. Okay.
Yeah.
Then what was next? 1 over cos x.
Oh.
We did next. Yeah.
Done the one.
Oh no. No. I should have drawn sine, not cos. Sine. Sine x. Good. Okay. 1 over sine x.
Yeah.
Good. Okay, and then what was next? Oh, then I had to shrink the domain. Whoops. Like here? Yeah, it was like here, wasn't it? Okay, and now I have to get the inverse. What's sine? Cosec, isn't it? Yeah. It's inverse.
Yeah.
Right, let's see. Yeah, not bad. That's what I drew. Close enough.
But the inverse is not like flip from the blue one.
From the blue one? Let's see. Okay, let's see. And then I'll draw this. Okay, and then flip it. Yeah? Okay.
Where is the black one from? From the right one?
Yeah,
Does it look
I know. Doesn't it look strange? Hang on, let me see. Whoops. That doesn't help. Goodness. Okay. This one. Goodness. This one. Well, they're the same here. That's good.
Yeah.
Okay, is that better? Yeah, that's kind of better. Yeah, this one swings around to become the black one.
Yeah, better.
Yeah.
Is from 1?
Can you look, Go? It's like, can you picture if I draw a line from here through this, it's to here. So like if this is 1 unit, then this is 1 unit. It's a mirror this way. I know it's hard to see.
But why the black one has the little...
This little thing here?
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't know. Maybe it's a mistake. I don't know. I see what you're saying. It looks like it shouldn't be having this piece, should it?
It should have the things because in the middle of the quadratic,
Yeah.
in the middle of the
Yeah.
quadratic and mirror,
This piece.
and mirror,
Oh yeah, because we go up to pi over 2.
yeah.
So pi over 2 is like here.
Oh yeah.
So that piece there is this piece here, up to pi over 2. Well spotted, Summer. That's good. Yeah, not easy, huh?
Can you show the SEC inverse?
On this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I don't
You want to check?
Yeah.
No, these remarks.
Only 3 marks.
Yeah.
But what happened? Why?
I don't know what happened. Here, let's do it bit by bit.
I tried
No,
this.
no, it's okay, it's okay. No, let's do it bit by bit. Look, Cossacks. Right, you got this.
Yeah, I got this.
Come in.
Hi.
Oh, I thought this room was free and I could steal it for 2 hours because we're down for B301
Okay, but now Tiago's doing a thing there. Or
or 302 or one of them.
201, I think. I think that's the only free one here now.
Is it?
Okay.
We can move. You need.
It's just to meet students 1 to 1, but
Ah.
I
Sorry.
let me see if I can find another.
Wait, your timetable says 302.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we should be in 302 downstairs,
Ah,
and
okay.
we saw this room was empty and took it
Yeah.
for the projector.
Yeah.
So
So 302. So then, if any of my students come,
I'll send them to
302.
302. Yeah,
Thanks,
yeah.
Isabel.
Thanks, Isabel.
Good luck.
See you.
Oh, the chemistry tutorial also 302 Ahowa.
We'll be here.
Yeah.
At what time? Now?
No, after the
after the
2 class or.
Yeah.
Good.
I think
Oh.
maybe it's wrong because we never been here for chemistry.
Yeah.
They always for like the room is yours. It's yours. Like, you know.
Maybe it's not mine anymore. Maybe I'm losing it.
Our timetable always wrong.
Always wrong.
Yeah.
You know.
Maybe next week will be better.
Yeah.
Right, that's cos x.
Yeah.
1 over
Cos x
cos x
is
is this.
yeah.
And then we'll put our line.
Yeah.
Yeah? And we only want the blue one.
Well, which blue one? This one?
Well,
the other one?
I think. Oh, good question. Which
Yeah.
blue one?
Yeah, which blue one? I trust the left one. Yeah.
I think this one,
I try the left one.
this one,
And
and this one.
No, it's power 2. Power
But
2 is
the answer
between 1
is this
to
one.
2.
but the answer is you try the one, I think.
Yeah, give me calculator.
Yeah.
So, if I look at cos inverse. Oh, hang on.
Oh,特别好呀，什么我推了医生。
Yeah, so what the calculator does for cos to make it 1 to 1 is it chooses this piece, 0 to pi
Okay.
for cos. And you can check it on the calculator. So,
Why?
Summer,
Yeah.
it goes from 0 to pi. for cos inverse.
Yeah. So why we don't try
Okay,
this?
hang on.
This.
Hang on.
Yeah.
So you need this red piece,
Yeah.
which means you need this blue piece
And
this one.
yeah, this one.
Okay, well let's see what happens.
Yeah. Okay. Let's see.
Okay, fine. I need to go to the next lesson now.
What
Next
is
lesson.
this?
Huh?
What is this?
This one I forget. Cosec inverse.
Cos inverse.
Yeah.
Sine. Oh. But
So how to draw 1 over sine x?
Oh, no, I need to continue. We can do this next week in tutorial if you want. We can do a tutorial. I'll tell you what,
I won't copy this.
we'll draw all of these next week.
Nice.
Okay. Remind me to do this next week, okay?
But this is the same.
Don't worry, I'll draw all of them next week in tutorial class. Just remind me to do it we'll do it, when's our first maths class next week? Who knows? Monday maybe, Tuesday. We'll do it then, okay? Alright, next lesson then. Oh goodness.
Too many problems.
Huh?
Too many problems.
Too many problems, too many students.
No, you just have 3 students.
Yeah, that's why they always gave
Yeah,
us
but
the-
look at the 3 students I have.
What?
Ready for that?
I thought we better than the other students. If you teach them, you will get more than these questions.
Yeah.
You're more interesting than the other students. Right. So what we're looking at now is compound angles. So compound angles means angles like this. So for example, you have sine A plus B.
I know.
You know this. Now what is it not? It's not,
So plus
it's definitely not this, right? It's definitely not this. So you've seen this before, Ben? Do you remember the formula?
Sine A cosine B minus or plus cosine sine B cosine.
Oh, my
Good.
favorite one.
Let's see how much Ben remembers. Ben, do you remember this one?
Yeah. Cosine sine minus
Cosine.
cos B minus sine A sine cosine sine.
Cosine.
Yeah, that's what we call in China.
And
Isn't it
sine-
cosine?
Yeah. So it's
Sine
easiest
cos.
to remember.
This is hard one. I don't know.
I'll go on, try.
It's the top is F or is tangent A tens B
Plus
plus
tan A tan B
and
Over.
is 1 minus
tan A tan B.
tan B.
Now, look, if you need to make it a minus, watch. If this is a minus, this is a minus. If this is a minus, this is a plus. If this is a minus, this is a minus, and that's a plus.
Yes.
So you actually have 6 formulas.
And now we have
Now we have some examples.
this. No, it's not. Really?
What?
Only this.
Yeah.
Not cos sine.
No?
Oh, nice. Easy.
Did you write these down somewhere?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Let's have a look at something. Oh, no. Who are you always talking to on your phone?
Didn't talking. Didn't
Okay.
type anything.
Yeah.
I just check
Yes.
if the science timetable is same as us,
Okay.
which means the room is right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Ready?
Yes.
So, to start,
Oh.
our,
I know.
yeah?
The chemistry only 10 people person.
No, 10 people's fine.
It's
Only 10 people.
science and only science student and engineering student.
Oh, okay.
So just more one.
Okay. Right. So let's say I want to calculate sine 15 degrees.
Is 45 minus 30.
45 minus 30, isn't it?
Sine, cosine,
Sine cos
30.
minus sine 30 cos 45. Yeah. That's 1 over root 2
Yeah.
cos, which is 1 over 2.
Yeah. Huh? No.
Yeah.
It's
Row
3 over 2. Cos 30.
Call.
That's 30, isn't it?
A is 1 over 2.
1 over 2.
1 over 2.
Right?
Yeah.
No.
No.
It's
Cos.
it's all the
Cos is right. It's 1 over 2. Cos.
Root 3.
But maybe your
Oh my. Oh.
your
Shh.
yeah
Mistake.
yeah.
Mistake.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Row 3 over 2.
Root 3.
Thank you. Sine 30.
What?
Yeah.
Oh,
Cosine
No,
30
hang on.
is 1 over.
Hang on. Sorry. I'm very tired.
Science.
Wait. Just let me draw my triangles again.
Yeah, okay.
45, 45. 1, 1, root 2.
Yeah.
30.
No, shh. Think. 2.
Wait.
Yeah. 1. Yeah, root 3.
Yeah.
60, 30.
Yeah.
Yeah, sine 15 we said, isn't it? Is sine 60 minus 45. Isn't that what we want? Sine 15? Sine 60 cos 45. What the heck?
same.
Yes.
So it's root 3.
It's same.
Yeah, same.
It's same. It's
Sine
same.
45 minus 30.
Yeah, it's same.
I'm doing it differently. Okay. Minus sine 45 cos 60. Right. That's root 3 over 2.
Yeah.
1 over root 2. Minus 1 over root 2. 1 over 2?
Yeah.
Which is root 3 minus 1 over 2 root 2.
Yes.
That's sine 15
Yes.
degrees. Okay, that's our first example.
Yes.
You can write that down.
Easy.
Easy.
I don't like the angle. I like the table.
Yes.
So cosine 60 is yes. Oh.
Yeah.
Can we use our calculator
Yeah.
to
First, the 45 and the 60s, yeah.
Can you just keep the roots in the downside? I mean,
In the question, if they don't say, then you can keep it. Because what they might say, Gao, is they might say, write your answer as A root B plus C. Yeah, so But they didn't. They usually don't say that. Gail wanted to know if we should do this. Right? You don't need to. You
But
can if you want. Because
normally the button should be
normally it should be, yeah.
should be this for.
That's fine.
But we can just.
Yeah, it's okay. Next question.
Chemistry homework.
Did you do your chemistry homework?
I can use, if we finish early, I can finish in 5 minutes.
Oh yes.
What?
I will. I don't remember the question. We have to write them down and.
You
It's fine,
guys.
we will finish at 40, so we have
Oh.
enough time.
Oh, guys. Oh.
It's easy lesson, chemistry.
Right. Oh, before we do that, just a little bit of English. So if the angle is between 0 and 90, do you know what we call this angle? We call it acute, if it's between 0 and 90.
Oh.
Yeah? If it's between 90 and 180, we call it obtuse. Oh, you know this. And then after obtuse?
Reflex.
Reflex. Okay, you know this. No, you did this with Joan, yeah?
I saw.
Show. What lesson you did it?
Yeah, I don't have this.
Let me guess, you missed this lesson.
I forget.
And you forgot this lesson.
I think it's radians.
This is also called quadrant 1, quadrant 2,
Yeah.
quadrant 3,
REFLE.
X. A, S, T, C. You did all of this with Joan, yeah?
REFLE.
X.
How to call Q3?
Quadrant 3,
Quadrant 3.
yeah.
Just quadrant 3.
What do you mean? No, reflex is for quadrant 3 and 4. It's for both of these.
Yeah.
No, don't. Right. Back here. Right, so I tell you, A and B are acute. So, which quadrant are they in?
One.
Q1, quadrant 1. Good. And my question is to calculate cos A minus B. Yes?
Yeah.
So we need cos A, cos B, plus sine A, sine B.
We need to
Yes, we need to get,
inverse or no?
well, you can just draw a triangle. So this is for A. And then this one here is for B. What's this one, please? I don't know. I don't know calculator.
No, I know. It's too large. For 73.
Okay. So what is cos A, cos B, sine A, sine B? What is cos A? Cos A will be 4 over 5. And then cos B?
48 over 73.
48 over 73. And then sine B is 55 over 73. And sine A is
3
over
over
5.
5.
Now look, all of these guys here, they all could be plus or minus. You don't know. Because you don't know which way your triangle is, you know. So what you need to do is think about the circle. A, S, T, C. Now you know A and B are here, right? So do we choose plus or minus for this?
Plus.
We choose plus. So we have 4 over 5. 48 over 73 plus 3 over 5 times 55 over 73. And that's the answer. Okay, now we'll do a harder one.
Oh, what? But
Why there's a minus?
That's not a minus, that's a
Oh.
multiply, sorry.
why you say change? This
Hmm?
you say it's change
I give you this.
and we calculate.
Yeah, exactly. What are you talking about?
I want to check her homework.
So that's why you can't say English.
Did you not do your homework?
I saw no one do the homework now.
Oh, Summer played too much video game last night. Too much computer game. Too much. How many hours did you play?
I thought
25 over.
7 hours. Wow. You start at what time
7 o'clock.
and finish what, 2 o'clock?
Yeah, I thought.
Oh my goodness. My goodness. And then you'll go home tonight, play for 7 more hours?
Oh, whole night.
Whole night.
Yeah.
Really?
Friday.
Oh my goodness.
Lucky
Oh,
Friday.
what?
Okay.
So we don't know the answer.
Oh, I just, whatever it is, calculator.
Please, if you love Lego Batman
Yeah.
have 4,
It does?
maybe
Nice.
you maybe you will play whole night.
No. I only play for like 1 hour. Maybe 2 maximum. I'm too busy. I can't play for 7 hours. Alright. Now, next one. Okay, so sine A equals minus 4 over 5 and cos B equals minus 12 over 13, and I want sine A plus B, and I tell you that A is in quadrant 3 and B is in quadrant 2. Okay, so first let's start. Let's write down what cos B equals and sine A equals. So what do you think cos B is?
3 or 5. Pay. 5 or something. Pay. Oh, you say is what? I don't know what.
Calm down, calm down. Cos B,
It's
12 over 13.
Let me think.
5. Oh, sorry.
Just, you
It's
say
12
that.
over 13. It is, sorry. Sorry, that was silly. Sorry. I meant to say cos A and sine B. Alright, right, sorry. What's cos A?
Minus 3 or 5.
Yeah, because A is it over here,
Yeah, minus.
so it's minus. Okay, and what's sine B?
Math.
5 over 13. Now, do we need the minus?
No.
No, so it's like this. Okay, so what's sine A plus B? Sine A cos B plus sine B cos A? Is that right? I think this is it, yeah?
Yeah.
48, 58, 62, is it?
What was it? 5?
Is it?
It's 5. It's 40.
48 and 15. 48, 50. 63?
Yeah,
Is it 63?
Yes. Yeah. What?
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
I didn't write that
Huh? I thought cos A is minus.
It is minus.
Yeah.
But so the first one was
This one was cos A.
no. I mean the first part is 48 is
Sorry.
is positive, and the second part is not.
Hang on. Let me think. Sorry. Sine A. Sine A. Correct.
Yeah. The
Cos B. Correct.
right.
Plus sine B. Cos A. Yeah, that is.
Yeah, I mean the result is wrong.
Oh, sorry,
Yeah,
because
that's-
minus.
Yeah.
So it's 33. 30.
Thank you, Gav. I didn't see the two minuses. My eyes only saw one minus. I know, terrible, huh? Thank you, Gav.
But if I draw the triangle, so like the first one is the this,
Yeah, you draw a triangle.
and the angle I think is the small one is the here is A.
Yeah. But there's a plus minus you're not sure about. Yeah. What? Continue? Right, so look at, here's an interesting one. 3. Stuck.
Wait.
3.
That's alright.
What?
That's your paper.
Oh, I want right here.
Save time. Save our life.
What's wrong with this one? Maybe it doesn't like this open too. Oh, I know. I'll just type it here. That'll work. Okay, can you look up? My writing's not working, so I'll just type it here. Okay, 3 cos A plus 4 sine A. Yeah. Actually, you know what? I won't write A. I'll write X to look a little nicer. Okay. Right. What I want to do, oh please. Make me so tired and hungry. Right. I want to simplify this. Okay. So what I'll do, here's my trick. I'll take out a 5, and then I'll say this is 3 over 5 cos x plus 4 over 5 sine x. What?
Wow. I know.
What's wrong with you?
I know.
Okay.
It's nice.
You already know this. It's nice. Okay. Now let me just type in cos inverse. Or maybe could you type in cos inverse 3 over 5?
I think it's 37.
Something like this, yeah.
Yeah.
53.
Huh?
No, cos inverse. Let me see somewhere.
Yeah, crossing yours.
Oh.
No, let me see. I want to write it down. 53.13.
Yeah.
Right, cos of 53.13. That's... No!
What the hell?
Sorry. I clicked the wrong button. Cos 53.13. That's... Oh, sorry. Radians. Let me put in degree. Degree. Here. Right, cos 53 degrees, that's roughly 3/5. Okay? And then sine 53.13 degrees. Sorry, I clicked the wrong button again. That is roughly 0.8. So this line, I can change it into 5 cos 53.13 degrees cos x plus sine 53.13 degrees sine x. What's wrong? There. I've changed that into that. Okay? But what does this equal?
X plus.
Cos
Yes. Minus.
x minus 53.13. So I'm saying that this is the same as this. Now watch, I can show you. If I draw this, there it is there. That's this one, 3 cos x plus 4 sine. Now if I draw this one, it should be the same. Ready? Let's hope so. Yeah. So this and this are the same. But this is much simpler.
Yeah.
Why is that useful? Well, suppose I ask you to solve
This
this.
is one. Yeah, I think.
This is too hard to solve. It's too hard. But if I ask you to solve this, this is easy to solve. You did this with Joan. You can't solve this, it's too hard because you've mixed cos and sine. But you can solve this. Yeah?
Okay.
It's okay?
Yes.
Have you seen this before, Ben?
What?
Did you see this before?
Yeah. But we need to think.
You do need to think, that is true. So I've changed this into this. So if you can write these 4 steps down. You know what I'll do actually? I'll take this one. No, actually I won't. I won't do anything. That's the answer.
But can we change to sine, cosine?
Yeah, there's many answers. There's many answers.
And why is x minus?
Well, what I was saying here, Ben, what you could do. Here, let me. Come on. What I could do is take this, and you could just swap these because it's multiply, you know. So you could put it here, and you could put it here. So now it's cos A, cos B plus sin A, sin B. So that's 5 cos A minus B, which is x minus 53.13. You can swap them, you know, because it's multiply.
Oh, so can I just 15/3?
Minus x is the same, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Because, remember, cos is even. Cos is an even function.
Oh,
Remember that?
oh yes.
So this is the same as this.
Okay.
They're the same.
Yeah, it's cos minus x equals cos x.
Now, wait, wait. I'll have you one more thing to show you. If you go back to the lesson on the functions, on even and odd, odd or even functions. I don't know. This one. What number is that? Odd or even?
1, 6. Yes.
Okay, can we look at 1m? 1m. So we had, what was it? Minus 5 sine minus 2x minus pi over 2. You see that? And that's equal to fx.
Yeah.
And we want to check if it's even or odd. So we want to calculate what f of minus x is. Yeah? Yeah? So watch. What I can do is take this. I'll just type it. Minus 5, bracket, bracket, sine A cos B minus sine B cos A, like that. The A is minus 2x. Okay. Now let me replace the x with minus x. So if well, firstly that minus can come out. And cos is even, so that minus is gone. Okay, fine. So this is what fx is. So let's calculate f of minus x. So that would be minus goes here, and that minus comes out to make it a plus. And then a minus is here, and it's even, so that's gone. Okay. This is equal to sine 2x minus pi over 2.
Yeah. Yes.
So is that even or odd?
Even.
We lost the minus.
We lost the minus. Yeah, it's even. It's even.
Oh, yes.
Because
It's
f of x and f of minus x. No, wait. No.
Yes, even. The answer here is.
Oh, yeah, sorry. If I draw this, we can see it. Yeah, it's even. Yeah.
And I know this if sine plus or minus pi over
Yeah,
2
yeah,
will
yeah,
change
yeah,
to.
All right, let me tell you which ones to do now. It's only 5 minutes left.
Oh.
Yeah. So I want you to do, I want you to do 7, 8, 9, 13,
What's that?
13,
Oh.
18, 19. Okay. You can start now.
Wait, only have 5 minutes.
Yeah, so you-
6 questions.
So you can finish it at home for homework.
Every day I will finish it.